Hello, in front of me I've got XGODY GPS navigation 718 Bluetooth. In this video I'll show you how to plug the navigation with the holder you can stick to your front windshield. Firstly, let's put the holder together. So firstly you have to insert this part right here and then use a bit of force to plug it. Now, when it's plugged, you have to simply put your navigation in this position. As you can see right here, we've got the place to attach the navigation to holder. And then you have to press. And now your navigation is attached to the holder. That's it. If you want to take the navigation out of the holder, again you have to use a bit of force to unlock it from the holder. Then you just simply push from this side and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.